Okay, this is our third video in the series. On this particular video, we're going to be discussing how to use an external storage device with your router. Normally, the WRT1900AC does not have a lot of storage space on board, and for what we're doing, we need more storage space. We're going to use external storage. This particular video is discussing the use of a USB device, but you can adapt it and use an external hard drive or whatever you need to use. Okay? Alright, so basic steps. Okay? We need to install the packages necessary to run a device. And then we need to format the storage device. Then we have to copy the current OS from the internal storage device and put it onto the external one so that the OS can actually use it. Then we got to configure our FS-tab, and of course I got a reference for you to look up when you're done. All right, here we go. Installing the required package. Now, the OPKG program is much like the apt-get program with Debian. Okay, with the exception that it does not store packaging information between sessions. So if you log out, it throws out the package information. So every time that you create an SSH login, you have to run OPKG update in order to get the latest package information. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Okay, just an update. Okay, it does not cache the data. So the next step we've got to do is install these devices or these packages. And it's a quick little easy command to do. Let me show you how to do it. Okay. Pop over here. Log in. OPKG update. Oops, I have to type correctly. And we go to get coffee while this happens. All right? Now,
You don't drink coffee?
What's that?
You don't drink coffee?
That's right, I don't drink coffee, but you can go get some coffee.
Okay, awesome.
All right, now I've actually got these already installed, but the basic command is simple enough. And I forgot the name of the files. What were they again? Block mount will do. Okay? And you can put all of them on the same command line, but this is just an example because I've already got it installed. Alright? Simple enough to do. Easy. Okay. So, next step, after we've gotten our packages installed, we have to prepare an external storage device. Now, I'm not going to go over this and give you an example of this because well, mine's already set up and I don't want to wipe it up. Okay, but you just take your external storage device, connect it to any Linux system, not your router because it doesn't have the necessary programs to do the format, and you just format the device. Okay, partition it. The first partition will be for the OS. If you want swap space, the second partition will be for your swap space, and then you will create an ext4 partition. Okay? Very straightforward. Anybody who's done Linux knows how to do this. It's no problem. Alright? Alright. Now, once you have that device formatted, plug it into the router. Okay? Log into the router, and now we run the following command. Okay? Basically, I can't run this because it'll overwrite my device, so I'm not going to do it now. Basically, what you're doing with this command is you're basically taking the device, mounting it to mounts, and then you're using tar over and copying this directory, and then pushing this result up into the new device with the /mount here. So you're copying the existing overlay into the device, your new device. And that's all you're doing. Once you're done, you just unmount it. Okay? So basically you're making a copy of the overlay directory, putting that copy onto your new device that you mounted here at Mount. Straightforward, right? Okay. Now, from the router, you run the following command. Okay.
I gotta sit down, Jay. It's hard to see.
Oh, really? My apologies.
No problem.
Okay? This command actually outputs the configuration file that you will need and the FSTAB configuration. Yes, the FSTAB file configuration is non-standard compared to like Debian, but it is specific to OpenWRT. You need to copy this over to that file, and we can do that right now. Okay? Alright, this is not quite in the standard location for most Linux distributions, but the etc config fstab file is where this data goes. And once we have it there, we need to enable it here and here. So we'll do that correctly. Menu. Save our work and then reboot your workstation. That's all there is to it. Alright? Now, before John turns off the video, whoops, let's go back over here to our reference. There's the reference. If you get lost, go to this page there and it'll straighten you out.
There you go.
That's it.
Nice. Yay.